Hi everyone, it's me Nina again. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make my green juice, which is I call it a cleansing juice made of kale, green apple, lemons, and ginger. So if you have a juicer machine, this video is for you. Okay, so the first thing we will do is wash all your ingredients thoroughly, of course, and then we're gonna cut the apples. If you have a big apple, we can cut it into 4. Okay, but if you have a small apple that can fit into the mouth of your juicer, you can just leave it like that. Okay, so I'm using the green apple, the Granny Smith, because I am making a green juice. Okay, so while I'm peeling the lemon, so I leave some of the skin because it has a lot of nutrients in the skin, and it's very high in antioxidants. Okay, so when you can peel the ginger if you wish to, but I leave the skin on, and cut your ginger into small pieces so that when you put it in the machine, it won't jump. Okay, so when I'm juicing, I always alternate all the ingredients when I put it into the machine. So, example, I put some kale, and then I will follow the other ingredients alternately, just to avoid clogging. Because some machines are very difficult to handle. You know, they don't like one ingredients at the same time, especially celery. It has a lot of, fiber in celery and other greens that are very difficult to handle. So to avoid this, just do the alternating while juicing, and you will get a very smooth juicing process. Okay, so if you like to save the fiber from kale to make some soups, you may do that, or other recipe that you can use all the fibers, you can do that too. Okay, so for all the ingredients that I used, a bunch of kale, 10 green apples, two big lemons, and then like about 2 tablespoons of ginger. You can add more ginger if you like a little bit stronger, but for all of these ingredients or all of this recipe, you can make at least more than half a gallon of juice. Okay, now it's almost done. This is gonna be the last drip, and the juice will be ready in a minute. Okay, so why did I call this cleansing juice? I call this cleansing juice because most of the ingredients that I used are high in antioxidant that really help our body to remove unwanted toxins that of course result from natural processes and environmental pressures. So once in a while we need to detox our body, just to get rid of the toxins that we have, maybe once a month. So I always make sure that I do this like once a month, or drink this once a month, so that I could cleanse my body because it really can boost our immune system. Okay, so now we have to take off the foam on top of it when we're done, and then if you want to strain it, because it's a little bit grainy at the bottom, you may do that. Okay, so now it's ready. This juice is really good with ice, for me, with ice or chilled. Okay, so you can drink this maybe at least 16 ounces a day. Okay, so it's really refreshing, I can guarantee you that. And you will feel that, that your body will refreshen after you drink this juice. Okay, so I hope you like my video for today, and I hope you learned something, and hope you try it at home so that you can cleanse your body or detox your body. Okay, so thanks for watching, and God bless you. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.